ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್,
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್. Yeah, this tendon related problem you are activating from this. So this is the region where exactly we can hold like this and we can activate for the tendon related disorders. If the tendon and then heel pain is there, so we just activate in this way. This will be helpful. They can see me?
Yes sir. Yes, camera is here sir.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, हाँ जी. तो इस तरीके से हम लोगों को करना है. दिस विल बी हेल्पफुल टू ट्रीट फॉर द टेंडन रिलेटेड, बिकॉज ए टेंडन आल्सो रीजन टू कॉज द heel pain. So therefore when the heel pain they do have, then don't treat for the calcaneal bone got the growth or something, but the reason is this the gastrocnemius muscles. But these muscles, see from here to here, this muscles called as a GN muscles, gastrocnemius muscles. There are the two heads, this head and this head. But now after this head you stretch and then come where it stops, that to be known as it ends the gastrocnemius muscles. From here the soleus muscles started. This soleus muscles you need to activate. By the way, this muscles also really important. If the people says they do have the cramps, so maximum they will get in the cramps, that is called a magnesium deficiency, also reason to cause vitamin E deficiency, also reason to cause. So that time we need to activate to this muscles as well. How to do that procedure here? We just activate. Give me one gosha, the another gosha just give me.
Same thing sir.
No. So we just activate this, then further you bring down, then further you just activate upward direction, then the bring down and then upward direction. क्या कुछ कुछ हो रहा है क्या आपको?
ऑयल नहीं है
ऑयल नहीं है जी.
सर, मेरे सर को इधर भी
या UB40 also we can massage मैडम.
इधर भी और इधर.
हाँ कॉफ मसल्स में मैडम जी. तो ये हाँ ये मसल्स है कि sciatica muscles, दिस कॉल्ड एज ए पेरोनियस लॉन्गस एंड पेरोनियस ब्रेविस मसल्स. ये अगर यहाँ पे मसल्स में अगर हो रहे उसी तरीके से हम कुछ भी, या फिर आपके पास गोशा ऑयल नहीं है तो इफ यू हैव एनी अदर ऑयल then also you can apply. For example, we have some other oil like a pain oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, gingerly oil, mustard oil. So you can use it castor oil, but castor oil is also really good for the joint spine. Make sure that is the original castor oil. Then you just apply here and then activate to these muscles. Especially these muscles are really important to treat for the sciatica related problem.
Sir,
Then
on points also we can do it. For heel pain you told.
Yeah, for this also we can do like this. We just activate in this region abruptly and then we can use the cupping also in this region. After doing this procedure, apply the oil and nightly massage, and then after gently massage you just apply the one cup in this region, that is the 3 number size cup. You just place it for some time. That will improve the fascia on that region. Fascia got struck, so that need to be released. That time we just apply the cup in this region as well.
Cracks will be there.
Yeah, the cracks are even you can do that procedure. The cracks are there because of the iron deficiency. Iron and then ferritin is the reason to cause the cracks on the heel. But ask them to take the iron related things like a pomegranate, carrot, beetroot as much as possible, and also leafy vegetables. That will increase the hemoglobin, iron, ferritin level. This slowly will come down. But however, you can rub this region also, slowly will going to changes to be taken place. Yes. K2 point also good. Yeah, you can activate here as well.